Hey, Chris here from DetectaChem again. In the last couple of videos we went over how to use one of our sample swipe cards to effectively collect a sample, and the next video was how to actually run that sample. So in this video I want to go over some of the more advanced functions of the seeker that allow you to do a little more with the information. So in the last video I showed you how to use the left side of the screen, which was the run test. On the right side, as you scroll across, you'll see several options. I'll go right into each one. The results will allow you to go to the most recent result in chronological order. The last test from the last video, you remember, was a nitroaromatic, shown right here. You could also take the same card and use the barcode scanner to pull up those results. The menu to the right is the help menu. This menu allows you to go into a quick start guide, again showing you how to use the seeker, although it is quite simple if you follow the on-screen prompts. The next one is explosive definitions. Again, explosive definitions are listed based upon group 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, the seeker is the only detector on the market that can detect all 5 groups with just one test. And then, of course, drug definitions. Going back to the home screen, I'll scroll down to setup. Setup gives you the ability to view in status the seeker serial number, the software version, and all the other information about the particular parts. Below that is the options. There's a way to set the language. Mine's currently in English, but you can see there's a wide variety of languages available. You can disable or enable the beeping function. You can set the shutdown timer that allows the seeker to shut down and conserve power, and you can adjust the brightness of the screen. Next is GPS live data. This is where you would actually see GPS live data feeding in if you're outside and we could see satellites. From there, there's a diagnostics test. Once you press that, it will actually go through a full diagnostics test of each system of the seeker. This is automatically done at the startup, but if you wanted to initiate it manually, this is how you would get there. And then last is the admin menu. This is where you would actually erase the menu, set the time zone you're in via the UTC offset, and do a blank card calibration test. Finally, back to the home screen, SD card. SD card is used for several mechanisms. One is to update the seeker. If we were to update the seeker, we'd send you the update, and you could simply update the seeker. We'll go into that in a later video. Next is upload the results. To upload the results onto the SD card from the seeker, simply press update results. You can see the arrow indicating the results are being transferred to the SD card. Once the transfer is completed, you can actually remove the SD card from the bottom of the seeker and place it into your computer for viewing. And of course, erase the SD card. That covers the more advanced functions of the seeker. Stay tuned for more videos.